So how do you say 80 in French? What is the French translation of the number 80? And more importantly, how do you pronounce it with the typical French pronunciation like people would say it in France? Well, the translation of the number 80 is a little bit more complicated than most numbers in French, surprisingly, and it doesn't really make a lot of sense, but the number 80 in French is translated as Quatre Vingt, which means literally 420. Of course, we all know that 4 times 20 is 80, and that's why we say Quatre Vingt, 480. Quatre being French for 4, and vingt being French for 20. Quatre vingt. Quatre vingt. And from there, you'll count 81, 81, 82, 82, etc., etc. Quatre vingt. It'd be fine to say quatre vingt, quatre vingt, quatre vingt. Here is my tutorial if you want to learn how to count in French with all the numbers. See you soon in the wonderful world of French translation and French pronunciation. Au revoir. Bye-bye.